Prun and Gwen.
Hello. We're cooling our sponges as much as we possibly can.
We have given them about 20 minutes of cooling time.
And they just will not cool down because it's such a dense sponge.
Dense sponge, yes.
It's quite a stodgy
Very
sponge.
dense. So we're waving at them with these plastic flats in the hopes of cooling them down a little bit. We've given them another 10 minutes of cooling time.
Yes. So we're just going to cool it down.
Oh, yeah, you need it too.
Yes,
Look at
yes,
you.
yes.
Oh.
Yes, I feel
the
like
breeze.
Beyonce here.
Oh, she does.
Yes.
The wind is blowing her hair.
I look like Beyonce.
Oh, you do. You look so much like you could be twins.
Yes.
You and Beyonce could be twins.
Okay. So we're gonna get these cakes cool if it kills us.
That's right.
Okay.
My arms have not gotten to work out like this since, I don't know. I think it was my secondary school. What you doing? Don't hit the cakes.
Sorry about that. I got a little carried away.
Yeah, I did stuff like this when I was throwing the hammer in secondary school. Yes. Did you know that I threw the hammer?
You threw the hammer?
Yeah,
Why'd you
in
throw the hammer?
track and field, the big...
Back to the tools again. She's such a tooly person.
I was, but I was a champion hammer thrower.
Of course you were.
Yes, I
Expect
was.
anything less of
It
you.
was, I tore something in my shoulder just before the Olympic trials, so I didn't get to go. It was the end of my career, and that's why I took up pies.
Well, of course. You had to do
I
something
had to do
else to champion.
And I was so depressed that I couldn't throw the hammer anymore that I decided I was going to eat myself to death. And what would you do better than a pie?
Exactly.
I mean, my goodness,
And it opened up a whole new world for
It did.
you. And the world has never been the same.
No, it has
That's
not.
the moral to that story.
The world has never been the same.
The world will never be the same.
I don't know that song. What song is that? Where's it from?
Hamilton.
Oh, that wonderful musical.
Yes, the American
Oh my goodness,
musical.
that American musical Hamilton, all about Alexander Hamilton, who was the Department of Treasury, the Secretary of the Treasury or something.
I don't know. Some
In American
thing.
history,
Yes.
yeah.
We don't study that.
He got
here.
killed. He was in a duel with a guy named Aaron Burr. I don't know. I think it's pretty silly, that whole duel thing. Men are silly.
They really are.
They
Why don't
really
they just
truly
love each
are.
other like we do?
I don't know
They
why
could learn a
don't.
lesson.
They could
from
learn a
us
lesson.
ladies.
Yes, they certainly could.
Okay, we'll be back once these damn cakes cool. Hello, everybody. Prunella here. And, people always ask, what do gingers drink? And I've been a ginger my entire life. And I drink DG Genuine Ginger Beer. I'm just saying, it's gingery, it's sweet, it's succulent, and it's non-alcoholic, so I don't have to worry about, any scenes or, falling down or throwing up like most days. So I can always rely on my ginger beer with my ginger hair. And I'm just saying, gingers out there, you need to go out and buy ginger beer. It goes with your hair.